The Audi SQ5 is a compact luxury crossover vehicle manufactured by the German automaker Audi. It is a high-performance version of the Audi Q5. The Audi SQ5 will also comes with more horsepower than the Q5, a better sport-tuned suspension, and few minor exterior styling tweaks to identify it as something special. The 2015 Audi SQ5 I have here today is dressed up nicely in Mathis black metallic exterior with black lunar silver interior. The SQ5 features a supercharged 3-liter TFSI V6 engine that pushes out 354 horsepower and 346 pound-feet of torque. That's 82 horsepower and 51 pound-feet of torque more than the Q5 model. The Audi SQ5 can get from 0 to 60 in just 5 seconds, which is 0.8 seconds faster than the Q5. Now, besides having more horsepower and a better sport-tuned suspension, along with the sportier exterior styling, the interior of the Q5 and SQ5 are basically identical. The Audi SQ5 comes equipped with a lot of standard features, some of which include the 20-inch 5-spoke S-design wheel, the panoramic sunroof, a power tailgate, heated and power exterior mirror, LED taillight, heated and power adjustable front sport seat, Audi Xenon Plus headlight with LED daytime running light, as well as many other features. Here is a closer look at the lighting that accentuate the Audi SQ5. Audi Xenon Plus headlight with LED daytime running light, as well as the turn signal light. High intensity retractable headlight washer and park assist are also integrated into the front bumper. At the bottom is the pair of halogen freeform fog light with chrome accent trims that highlight the lower bodywork of the SQ5. And a closer look at the Audi single frame grille with chrome accents and SQ5 badging on it. Very bold looking front end, intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed. This particular model comes with the upgraded 21-inch double 5-spoke star design wheels with 255/40 summer tires. Behind the wheel is the set of internally ventilated brake discs with the large brake caliper for faster stopping. Brake calipers are painted in black with SQ5 lettering on it. Supercharged badge on each fender. Power side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal indicator, and it does feature folded option. On top is the large panoramic sunroof that covers roughly the entire roof. It can also be tilted up for ventilation or slide open for an open air feeling. Rear wheels are also 20 inches. Behind the rear wheel is also the set of internally ventilated brake discs and the brake caliper painted in black as well. It also comes with anti-lock braking system, electronic brake pressure distribution, brake assist, as well as electronic stability control with off-road mode and traction control. To the back, first thing you will notice is the full LED tail light with LED turn signal light as well as LED brake light. LED tail lights are very unique and stylish. At the bottom is the matted rear diffuser that frame the quad round chrome tip exhaust with dual sound mode. Rear deflectors and park assist are also built into the rear bumper. Rear view camera is located right above the license plate and will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. On top is the roof spoiler with integrated third LED brake light. Okay, here I have the remote with SQ5 logo on the back. On the remote I have the lock, trunk release, unlock and panic button, and Audi logo at the bottom. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. So the car does come equipped with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, press the black button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, place your hand behind the door handle to unlock. The exterior color is known as Mathis Black Metallic, featuring a black and lunar silver interior with suede insert on the seat and door panel, and silver aluminum trims throughout. Very sporty interior. Now let's get onto the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brake, push the start button located on the center console to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2015 Audi SQ5 have to offer. Under the hood is a supercharged 3-liter TFSI V6 engine, 8-speed Tiptronic transmission with Quattro permanent all-wheel drive with 40-60 torque split, pushing out 354 horsepower and 346 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in just 5 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 155 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 17 city, 24 highway, and 19 combined. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Here is a look at the driver's side door panel. It is all black with suede insert in the middle and silver aluminum trims on the door panel. There you have the lock and unlock button. Side view mirror controlled. It does feature folded option. All 4 windows are fully automatic. There's the trunk release button and the storage compartment, as well as a cup holder. Audi SQ5 aluminum door seal. And there's the sport pedals. Here is a closer look at the seat, with black leather and silver suede insert in the middle, with SQ5 embossed on the backrest. Both front seats does feature heated options and offer 12-way power adjustable front seat, including power lumbar support. There you also have the manual adjustable thigh support. The 3-spoke flat-bottom design steering wheel is fully wrapped in black leather with white contrast stitching on it with SQ5 badging at the bottom and silver accenting trims in the middle. Looks and feel very sporty. It also features multi-function control side by side for your convenience, with control for audio, voice command, as well as the most frequent used function in the vehicle, Behind the steering wheel, you also have the silver aluminum paddle shifter, so you can put it in manual mode for a more aggressive ride. Behind the paddle shifter, you have the windshield wiper control, and on the left you have the turn signal light control. And there's the cruise control. Manual tilt and telescopic steering column. And a closer look at the instrument cluster. Over to the left you have the driver's side air vent with aluminum trims around it. There's the light control with fog light and the instrument light control. Blind spot monitoring system. And a closer look at the dash. Beautiful aluminum trims on the dash as well. Now this SQ5 model does come equipped with Audi concert radio with 10 loudspeakers located throughout the interior and a single in-dash CD player with MP3 playback capability, driver information system, as well as the Audi MMI Navigation Plus with voice control that comes as an option. There's the large multimedia screen on the center stack and the emergency hazard light, dual air vent with aluminum trims around it, multimedia controlled. There's your park assist on and off, traction on and off, and downhill mode. There's the drive select mode, which you can choose between different driving mode. You can choose between comfort, auto, dynamic, or individual. And down here you have the dual climate control. Ashtray and a cigarette lighter. And on the center console you have the gear shift lever. It is wrapped in black leather with white contrast stitching and SQ5 logo on top. Now to put in reverse, just push the unlock button and pull down. Once you're in reverse, backup camera will appear on the multimedia screen with guidance line. It will also move as you turn the wheel for a much easier backup. And pull down again for neutral, and down again for drive. And then you can pull it to the right to get into standard mode, and that's when you can push it up or down to change gear. Or you can use the mounted paddle shifter located behind the steering wheel to change gear as well. Easy enough. And on the side of the gear lever you have the hand parking brake, and there's the start and stop engine button. Below the gearbox you have the controller to your infotainment system. And there you have the navigation, telephone, menu, back, car, media, and radio, and the volume control. This knob here you can turn it around to move around screen, or you can press it down to select. And you can also move the knob up, down, right, or left. Like such. Very responsive system. Very nice sound quality. Here you have the dual cup holder for the front passengers. Center storage compartment with a 12-volt power outlet. Beautiful aluminum trims with Quattro badge on it. Glove box compartment. Inside the glove box you have the plug for your multimedia interface. And a closer look at the seat. Very sporty looking seat, and it offers plenty of support. On top you have the universal garage door opener, light controlled, sunglasses holder, and the knob in the middle have two buttons on it. The buttons is to control the power sunshade, and you can just turn the knob to tilt up the panoramic sunroof or to slide it open for an open air feeling. As you can see, the panoramic sunroof consists of two large glass panels, and it covers almost the entire roof. A very nice feature to have. Rear view mirror, sun visor mirror, now let's take a look at the rear seat. Rear seats offer seating for 3, and looks like it does offer quite a bit of leg room. Rear seats does feature the 40, 20, 40 folded option, so you can fold it into any configuration to fit your need. And a look at the rear driver's side door panel with aluminum trims and suede insert in the middle. Automatic window, door storage compartment, and a cup holder. SQ5 aluminum door shield. Now let's get into the rear seat and see how it is in the back. But let me show you the look to the front cabin first. Very sporty looking steering wheel. And a look to the panoramic sunroof with beautiful sky view. Dual air vent for the rear passenger. 12-volt power plug. Rear seats are pretty comfortable for me. I'm 5'8", and I still have plenty of leg room left. This is how much leg room I have left. So if you're a little bit taller than 5'8", you should be okay in the back as well. And a closer look at the rear seat. It is well padded and very comfortable to be sit on. Center armrest with dual cup holder. And a look to the back. On top you have the light control, the door handle and the hooks. Now, like I mentioned before, the rear seats does feature the split folded option. You can fold it into 40, 20 or 40 split, which is very convenient. I'll show you how it looks with the seats folded down. You can also fold it into 60 or 40 if you prefer to. Now let's pop the trunk and see how much cargo space the trunk offers. Now I already have the rear seat folded down, so you guys can see how it looks with all seats folded down. With the rear seat folded down, you get 57.3 cubic feet of cargo space, which is plenty for your needs. And with the rear seat up, you get a 29.1 cubic feet of cargo space, which is still plenty for your grocery needs. There you have your first aid kit and the lever on each side to fold down the rear seat. Now this privacy panel here can also be removed. Let's see what we have down here. Have storage compartment. Look like your spare tires is here too. This SQ5 definitely have a lot of space for your cargo space. Automatic trunk close. Gas cap is located on the passenger side, and it does require premium unleaded fuel only, and holds approximately 19.8 gallons of fuel. Overall, the Audi SQ5 is a high-performance version of the Q5 and is a luxury compact crossover vehicle with seating for 5 passengers. Rear seats offer enough room for an average-sized adult to be really comfortable even on a long road trip. Front cabins are very spacious as well, with great upholstery material and nicely silver aluminum trims throughout. It could be a great vehicle for a small family with 3 children, at the same time offer great performance and power. And another look to the back. Now let's get into the front passenger seats and see how it is in the front. Very spacious and comfortable. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2015 Audi SQ5. Go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know how you guys like it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video review. And I'll see you guys next time.